Did you know that Google will pay you up to
$150 using
$150 an
Google.
hour? And the best part is you don't need any experience and it's absolutely free. First, you're going to go to Google and type Skillshop, and then you're going to click on the first link. So here you're going to master Google Tools absolutely free, and then I'm going to show you how you're going to get paid for it. Here's a list of all the courses that you can do, and I'm going to try master Google Ads. So you can see that they're all beginner friendly, and the Google Ads course is 5 hours, and after that you'll be Google certified. After you're certified, you're going to head over to Upwork. Here you can see a Google Ads expert is getting paid up to $90 an hour, and she's made over $300,000. Here's another Google Ads partner, and he gets paid $69 an hour, and as you can see, he's made $500,000. Comment ready down below if you want to learn how ordinary people are quitting their 9-to-5 by starting a simple side hustle that they can do from home. And don't forget to follow for more side hustle tips.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button to get more updates on Side Hustle.